We want to nip that in the bud, and we want to do things that are conducive to growing on social media and connecting with our audience, finding new people to connect with. What's up, tribe? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Audrey Spearman, and I am just so excited that you're here. So in today's video, we're just going to talk about 3 common mistakes that realtors or you are probably making on social media, and we're going to give 3 easy fixes. Now, number 3, I actually make this very common mistake and I'm fixing it. So yeah, you learn and you grow and you get better with time. So with that being said, we're going to go ahead and get into the video. Hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications because I want you to be notified every time I release a new video. Number 1, not optimizing your page or your bio. So not optimizing your bio and your page is hurting you because it's limiting the amount of people who find you organically. So just by tweaking this, you'll be able to show up organically for free. The Instagram algorithm will put you in front of more people. The first thing first is your profile photo. You want to make sure that your profile photo highlights your face and that it stands out, and so that people will look, it's eye-catching pretty much. So the next thing is your username and your name. You want to make sure you're using keywords. And this is very important, and I'll show you exactly why. Because there are over 500 million daily users on Instagram, and out of all of those people, somebody is looking for real estate or looking for a real estate agent in a specific location. And so this is where optimizing comes in. Optimizing your page allows you to increase your reach. It allows people to find you organically. So let's say if someone is looking for a real estate agent in your city, are you going to come up? How do you know? Have you done the search? And I want you to go to Instagram, go into that little search bar, and then type in your city. So if you're in San Diego, if you're in New York City, if you're in Tampa, if you're in El Paso like me, go ahead and type that in. What comes up? If you're not coming up, you need to change that. And you can do that just by adding in the keywords for your location and for what you do. So that would be, your name, Audrey El Paso Realtor, or Audrey El Paso Real Estate Agent would be great as a username. And if I were going to add it to my name, if I had enough characters, because I think you're only allowed 30, we definitely want to make those changes. So the third thing that you want to take care of when it comes to optimizing your profile is your bio. So when it comes to optimizing your bio, the same rule applies. You can also use hashtags in your bio, but it's not necessarily mandatory. A little birdie said that hashtags are out, but Instagram has not confirmed that. Why would they take out hashtags? Oh my gosh, I just don't understand. But either way, if Instagram is going to get rid of hashtags, that means SEO, search engine optimization, is so important. And that just means that you're using keywords related to your industry, related to what you're doing, so that you're showing up when people search for that thing. All right. We're actually going to optimize my Instagram page. I'm currently rebranding all of my social media. Number 2 is no content strategy. So I see agents posting random, very generic template that every other agent has. This random photo of a living room that, just asks a random question or just has like a random piece of information on it. I see it all the time. And a quick fix for that is to personalize these generic templates with your brand identity. You can add your face to it. You can add your voice to it. Just no more generic templates because it's not converting. It doesn't connect with your audience, and it's just weakening your brand. The next mistake I see is quantity over quality. I know a lot of professional full-time content creators will say you need to post 10 times a day to grow on Instagram. If you're posting random generic templates or you're posting things that are not value-based on your page, then you're kind of just wasting your time. And I wish more full-time content creators would also talk about that if you are posting several times a day and you are consistent Great. I love it. However, it needs to be value-based content, not just random generic photos and content. Okay? You need to look at what your audience likes. If you have followers already, then that is great. What are they liking? What are they commenting on? What are they saving? Look at those numbers and then do more of that, right? So just some easy fixes for this lack of content strategy is starting with why. What is your why for posting on social media? Are you here to grow? Are you here to find new clients? Are you here to stay top of mind with your current clients and new clients as well? So after you figure out your why for showing up on social media, you can move forward. Are you looking to grow your following? Are you looking to find new potential customers? Are you looking to stay top of mind with your old customers? The next thing you can do is figure out your content pillars, so core themes, topics that you're going to be talking about regularly. And once you figure out the content pillars that you have, this can actually work for your brand identity, your positioning, your tone of voice, the look and feel of your page as well. When it comes to the type of content that you post, there are just a few things that you can do to make sure you're always posting great content. And great content is value-based, and value-based falls under educating your audience, entertaining, inspiring, or connecting with your audience, and then promoting your business or yourself to your audience. And the third most common mistake I see realtors and business owners making on Instagram, and I even make this mistake on Instagram, is not using different types of content. You know, we know that Instagram is switching to being a video platform. It's what's working, so they're pivoting. And I love to post videos. I just love this style of content. And so the mistake I've been making is only posting reels for the most part. So not diversifying my content is kind of hurting me because it means that I'm not connecting with my target audience in different ways. And so I am in the process of changing that. I am currently going through a rebranding on my social media. And yeah, so if you guys want to rebrand with me, let me know. I'll document the process and you can follow along. So there are different types of content on Instagram, and each piece of content is for a different purpose. Reels are for growth and for finding new people, right? Not always the best for educating, because reels are like very fast and it's just like fun and fast. We also have carousels and static posts or single posts. These are great for building interest, building trust. We also have Instagram Lives, which is top tier for educating your audience, doing trainings, things like that. And then we have stories, which a lot of people use to connect and with their audience, and they allow their audience to get to know them on a more personal level. You can also use this strategy to convert the people who watch your stories into buying whatever you're trying to sell. All right. So with that being said, moving forward, what am I going to do to fix not diversifying my content? So I'm going to diversify my content. I'm going to look through some of my older content, look through some of my best performing reels, and see how I can diversify that reel into either a static post, a carousel, an Instagram Live, and just different things like that. All right. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And if you managed to watch this video until the end, go ahead and put a little house emoji so I know that you watched this video till the end. All right, guys, until next time, I'll see you later. Have the best day. It's a beautiful day to be alive, and I'll see you next time. Bye.